Hey everyone! So today I'm showing you how to turn off auto backup on WhatsApp for Android. If you don't want WhatsApp to automatically back up your chats to Google Drive, this is super easy to disable. Let's get started. All right, first thing, open the WhatsApp app on your Android phone. Make sure you're on the main chat screen. Now, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. This opens a menu with several options like New Group, Settings, and more. Okay, from the menu, tap on Settings. This will take you to your WhatsApp settings page where you can customize various features. Here's the thing, tap on Chats from the settings menu. This is where you can manage everything related to your conversations. Now, scroll down a bit until you see Chat Backup or Backup. Tap on it. This opens your backup settings where you can see when your last backup was and configure automatic backups. Look for Backup to Google Drive or Automatic Backups. Tap on it. You'll see several options like Daily, Weekly, Monthly, or Off. To turn off automatic backups completely, select Off from the list. This stops WhatsApp from automatically backing up your chats to Google Drive. WhatsApp will now stop taking automatic backups until you manually change this setting back. You can still manually back up your chats anytime by tapping the backup button on the same screen. And that's it. You've now turned off auto backup on WhatsApp. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.